It's dialed into like, it's probably too much magnification right now.
Okay, go ahead.
Woo! That's some well mixed powder.
All right, now that was cool.
Si, senor.
Okay, eyes ready.
Whee!
Christ!
Made a bigger boom than Tim's the first time.
Thank you, sir. May I have another?
Okay.
Where's he shooting at?
I don't know.
I'll just get a nice wide
Just
shot.
zoom out. Something will blow up.
Not in that one.
I thought it was in the left one.
No, it's in the right one.
That's Eric's job.
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, baby. I was just about to stop filming. Whoa! Sweet. I think I would shake the camera from back here.
Woo!
That was hurt. Bottom center, maybe a little to the left of the vertical line.
Lay it on its side.
Down in there. It's gonna be a hard hit.
Bounce it right on the. Put it there inside the ball.
Oh, put it in the ball.
Yeah.
Put it in the bowl.
Pack it with the books.
Oh!
My memory card ran out right before it went off.
Oh shit!
Ain't that a bitch?
I'll send it to somebody. Alright, let me know when you're ready so I can start.
Yeah, I'm good.
Very good. How's it going?
Need some more monitors. God damn.